Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back. So we're the technoboy, and today I'm gonna unbox this bookshelf speakers. These are so big, and you're seeing them now. Two of them, black in color. Well, these are not big at all. These are very tiny speakers. Well, you can see the boxes in my hand, just like that. That kind of tiny. So this is from Terabyte, and it's a Cubix E02B 2.0 multimedia speaker. So who need this kind of speakers, tiny speakers nowadays? That's a very good question. So here you can see desktop computers, laptop, MP3 MP4 player, phone features, USB output, so all this stuff. So the fact is, you can use this. Definitely you can use this with your desktop, but if you have a desktop, then definitely you prefer to have a bigger music system, at least a 2.1 system like that. Or but for desktop you can use this speaker when you don't want to disturb anyone else at all, but you want to hear the sound and you don't want to use the headphone, because using too much headphone is not good at all. So that's it. And you can use this with laptop, keep it anywhere, use this anywhere, and most of the thing you can take it with you anywhere. So that's a good point. And also you can use this with your mobile phone. It's a nice thing. And you can see this is so tiny pack, so you can put it in your backpack with laptop or whatever. You can take it anywhere so easily. So that's it. Let's check this out. It's a Terabyte Company Limited and all this stuff. Shenzhen, China. It's made in China. And on this side the specification is there. Amplifier 1 watt into 2, THD 10%. That's a signal to noise ratio 60 dB, frequency 90 Hz to 20 kHz, supply voltage DC 5 volt, and speaker 52 mm into 2. So standard impedance 4 ohms, USB 2.0, USB 1.1 with audio output, with sound card, and all this stuff. And this is the connection. So you can see this has a USB for the power supply and the 3.5 mm jack for the audio input. You just need to connect the USB and the audio jack to your laptop. And if you're using this with your mobile, then you need the mobile charger. You need to connect this USB to that mobile charger, and 3.5 mm to mobile, then you can use it. I bought this from Flipkart and the price was around 270, like that. I'll give the link in the description below. So let's open this thing, and that's it. This is the card, in joint card. You can see one is for 3.5 mm and another is for USB. So this is the speaker. Looks beautiful, and you can see the total body is black, made out of hard plastic, and at the back there is a port there for air passing, and it's a ported enclosure. It's a nice one, and you can see the transparent glass here. This is the stand, so it stays like this. And this is the other one. The main card came out from here, you can see. So the amplifier is in here, and this is the volume control, and this is the port. So there it will be a PAM 86 something like that IC I showed you before, the tiny IC class D amplifier, that will be in here. So this is it. Now let's check the sound, how it is. This is a mobile charger. I'm gonna connect this. It's on, you can see. Alright, now I'm gonna connect this mobile to a speaker and let's play something. Well guys, you heard the sound. Well, let me tell you that the sound is not so much loud, but it's loud enough and pretty clear. And let me tell you one more thing, that this one is connected to this mobile phone, so that's the highest level of its sound output, and there is no distortion in it. And if you connect this to your laptop or PC, then the sound will be a little more louder than you just heard now. So this is a pretty good thing, portable thing. So